Thanks so much for joining us today at 6. I'm Lauren Adams. We have seen a lot of rain today and last night. Let's go to Limestone County, where our Bobby Portavant has more on the weather out there.
Hey Lauren, I'm live here in Limestone County, here off what many people know as Springfield Road. Now you may remember us telling you last night about a train being derailed. You can see almost 24 hours later, crews are still working to clean it up. Now this was not the only damage across the county. Let's take a closer look at what crews have been working on all day. Heavy rains fell across Limestone County Wednesday night, causing flooding, washing away parts of roads, power outages, downed trees, and even derailing a train. Crews like Fire Chief David Snow with the Shiloh Volunteer Fire Department have been working around the clock.
It's a water rescues up in the city of Mahia with the city of Mahia flooding, so we had a storm sit on top of us and just acted like a buzzsaw.
These are photos of cars underwater in the city of Mahia, posted by the city of Mahia Police Department. Teos Urgent Care posting to Facebook they had lots of water in their building. I took a drive with Chief Snow to survey the area after the storm. You mentioned this was up to the railing last night, right?
Yes, so it was up to the bottom of the bridge.
On the house or just in the yard?
It's caught the power lines last night. Didn't catch the house. Our major concern right now is there's potentially another storm coming, and so we may have more water on top of this from an already flooded area. Turn around, don't drown. If you see water, if you see trees, don't decide you need to go that way, go someplace else.
Again, I'm live here in Limestone County. As crews continue to assess the damage, I'm told there were no reported injuries. Now let's go ahead and get a check on the forecast with Chief Meteorologist back in the studio.